Luxury Motorsports is proud to present for sale this one-owner 2017 GMC Sierra 2500 HD four-wheel drive Crew Cab Denali Truck. Powerful, capable and luxurious. You really cannot do better than this 2500 HD truck, and this Duramax 6.6-litre Biodiesel Turbo V8 cranking out an impressive 910 pound-feet of torque provides massive towing and hauling power too. The cabin of this range-topping Denali, with the remainder of its factory warranty, is plush and upscale. This trim enjoys even more chrome on the exterior, 20-inch premium wheels, power sliding rear window, backup camera, front and rear parking sensors, a navigation system, Bose audio system, an 8-inch driver information display, upgraded interior trim with leather upholstery, ventilated front seats and a heated steering wheel. To see the full list of specifications on this particular model, please visit our website at luxurymotorsports.us. We invite you to come and discover for yourself its impressively composed and easy-to-handle driving dynamics. This turbo diesel provides immediate acceleration, and with nicely weighted steering, you'll be surprised by just how well-controlled and agile this one is for a heavy-duty truck. Prepare to fall in love with this impressively quiet and comfortable Sierra. Come see how easy it is to drive, sign and buy at Luxury Motorsports. Luxury Motorsports is open 6 days a week and by appointment only on Sundays. Please call us to schedule your test drive today at 480-478-0352.